Hello children, today we are going to know how to use common factors. The common factors. Here our friend John is too much worried. Why? Because he is given a task by his teacher, that is, he is given two kinds of flowers, orange color 16 flowers and a rose color flowers 12 in number. Now his teacher asked him to arrange them in equal rows. Arrange them in equal rows. But he is intelligent and he is trying to find out how to arrange them in equal rows. Let us see what he does. He uses the common factors, and first he finds out the factors of 16, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Then he finds out the factors of 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now he should find out the common factors of the both numbers. Means which are the numbers common for both. Here 1 is common for both. 2 is common for both. 4 is common for both. Now he found his common factors, that is 1, 2 and 4. Now he wants to write it down in a overlapping circle picture. Let us see how he writes it. First he writes the common factors, that is 1, 2 and 4 in the center, that is overlapping part. Then he writes the remaining factors of 16 on the left and remaining factors of 12 on the right. Actually, what does the common factor mean? The common factors are the factors which divide both the numbers. Means the factors which divide both the numbers without remainder. Okay, if we divide the numbers with the common factors, both the numbers will give remainder 0. It means we can divide both the numbers in equal rows or equal groups. That is the common factor. Let us see how he uses the common factor in his task. John uses the common factors 1, 2 and 4. First he is using common factor 1, means he is arranging the flowers in one row, means he is putting 16 flowers of orange in one row. Then he is arranging the pink flowers in one row, means he is putting 12 flowers in one row. Next he is using common factor 2, means now he is going to arrange them in 2 rows. He arranged orange flowers 8 columns in 2 rows. He arranged another group of flowers in 2 rows and 2 columns. For both flowers, the rows are same, that is 2. Then he uses the common factor 4, means now he is going to arrange the flowers in 4 rows. He arranges the orange flowers 4 rows and 4 columns. The pink flowers 4 rows and 3 columns. Here rows are same, means both flowers are arranged in 4 rows, means equal rows. Now he solved his problem. He completed his task by using common factors. I think you understand how to find out the common factors and also how to use it. Thank you.